Hello friends. This is my second time trying to record this because the audio kept going in and out very weirdly. I'm not sure why because I don't know how things work, and also I'm using a phone, so. But I will put a timestamp right at the beginning, so if you don't want to listen to me talk for 2 minutes, I get it. I don't really want to listen to me talk for 2 minutes. But this is obviously going to be a video about me making a blue dress from a sarong I bought in Costa Rica. As you can tell by the background, I'm still here. And one of the challenges that we've faced being here this last few months is that the things that I'm so accustomed to getting very easily just by going up the street to the store or whatever, like, they just don't exist here. I saw a fabric store for the first time last week, and it was like an hour-long bus ride away, and it's not like a huge fabric store either, so it does open up a lot of opportunities to get creative, and I enjoy that. So if you want to watch me make a blue dress, watch this video. I'll try to do like some narrations along the way so that you can make sense of the steps I'm doing. This is not going to be a well-produced video. I hope you enjoy some royalty-free music I got on a free app in the iTunes store. Also, I put on jewelry for this. It feels so fancy and formal. I don't know how people do this all the time, but I'm totally gonna try, so yay, let's get into it. Alright, so the first step that I took was folding the fabric in half about as wide as I thought the dress was gonna be, and then I placed a loose-fitting tank top on that so that I could get an idea of the shape I was going for, but as you can see, I extended it a little more width-wise to adjust for the fact that I have hips, you know, like everyone else does, and then also to factor in that I'm adding ties that'll cinch in the waist a little bit, so I don't need to worry about it being too loose in the middle there. As you can see, I'm a simpleton who does not know how to use patterns, so there's going to be a lot of moments where it's just me trying to figure out where I'm even going with this, but eventually it turned out to be a real piece of clothing. Then I used my absurdly small scissors that I got from my first aid kit to cut it out. Now that this looks dress shaped, I'm just going to try it on and see, you know, where it's lying on my body. Maybe I need to adjust the neckline. Eventually this thing ended up way shorter than I wanted it to be, so it's more like a beach cover-up, but these things happen. Then I pinned it on the sides and cut a line right down the middle to adjust for the buttons. For this step, I'm cutting out some simple strips just to make like ties for the back. I apologize for any of the vertical shots. I filmed quite a bit of this with my knees because I don't own like a tripod or anything. So you're gonna cringe when you see it, but that's your problem, not mine. Then I'm doing, what is this called? A split stitch to make a really secure stitch on the side so that the dress does not fall apart where I'm literally wearing it. Would you believe it? A month has passed, and I'm just now getting back to this because I am a master procrastinator. So what I did there was I just kind of aligned buttons, sewed them on, and then cut some really simple holes. I did not do anything fancy to secure them. They suck, but they got the job done, and now I'm just trying it on, seeing what I need to adjust. I decided to cut the shoulder straps and tie a knot so it would be a little tighter there. And now I'm doing a blanket stitch to secure the neckline hem. I just think it adds a little pretty detail, and it's a fairly secure stitch. As you can see, I'm trying to walk you through it slowly, and then I'll speed up. If anyone cares to learn more about that, I guess I could make another video. Not that anyone's gonna watch this. In the next couple seconds, you're going to see me trying on the dress. I feel like it's finished, so I feel pretty decent about it. And then you get to see what the final look like out and about in the world. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have a great day.